Yo, what's good? It's John here, previewing the Slimy stem kit from myself and Kenai. It's got 20 wave loops, all with their stems and midis. And yeah, it's a great kit, and I'll be previewing all the loops, and then I'm probably gonna cook up with one of the loops. Right, so I've got the kit open here. I'll just run through them. They're really all that kind of modern trap sound, really bouncy, upbeat, Young Nudie, Playboy Carti, Lil Skies, that type of sound. I'm trying to decide between that one or I think this one. Yeah, alright, let's just do this one. So I'll get everything dragged in. Alright, I got everything dragged in and sounding hard. And then I'm gonna drag the midis in. Might add in another melody or something. And it's mostly a pretty full melody, full drum, so I'm not gonna add too much. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'll just mix and arrange it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of drums here. I'll probably go to my Odyssey drum kit. I think I'll add an open hat. Just gonna loop this just for that bit without the cut off. And I'm gonna turn down the perks and add one of my own probably. Yeah, that sounds hard. Then I'm going to my Aquamarine Omnisphere bank and I'm going to see if I can add in another melody. Check everything on the mixer. Shift D short on that one. And then I'm going to arrange it. Start off with the pad. And some perks. Yeah, that sounds sweet. I actually really like this one. I might even put it on my site, to be honest. Yeah, that was a loot from Kenai. He killed that one. I'll just go to the kit quick. Yeah, so I used this smooth one. It's really nice. So yeah, there's just loads of great loops in there, sick melodies and nice clean drums as well. So you can get yourself started. Like I really didn't have to do too much, and I've already got a full beat because there's so many stems in most of them. So hope you guys enjoyed the kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the preview. Links in the description as always, and I'll be back soon with the next one. So see you guys then.